Rashad from Tunisia, he says, I have a confusion. And this confusion is, you said that a person who does not pray will enter hellfire for eternity. And we have another hadith where Allah tells the angels to take out from hellfire who's got a mustard seed, the weight of a mustard seed of iman in his heart. So how can we reconcile between these two hadiths? There's no problem, akhi. First of all, I didn't say that whoever does not pray at all will go to hellfire. This is what Allah said in the Quran. When the people of paradise, the people of the right, look into hellfire and address the people of hellfire and say, مَا سَلَكَكُمْ فِي سَقَرٍ? What made you enter hellfire? So the first answer would be, قَالُوا لَمْ نَكُمْ مِنَ الْمُصَلِّينَ. We were not among the worshippers, those who pray. So the first thing that qualified them to be in hell, that they did not pray. And the Prophet said, alayhi salatu, the pledge between us and them, the non-Muslims, is prayer. And another narration, between a man and shirk or kufr, abandoning prayer. Whoever abandons prayer is a kafir or committed kufr. And this is the saying of the Prophet alayhi as-salatu was-salam. And another hadith, the Prophet tells us about those who come out of hellfire when the Muslims intercede for their brethren. When the angels get them out, they recognize them by the areas of sujood, because fire consumes everything in the body except the areas of sujood where they used to prostrate, which means that they used to pray. And these are the last people who come out of paradise, of hell, and are admitted to paradise, and they're called al-Juhannamiyin. They are the people of Jahannam. They were identified in paradise by the late people who came out of hell, and they were burnt like coal. So all of this proves that a person who does not pray at all, he has breached Islam and he is a kafir. Those who have the weight of a mustard seed in their hearts of iman used to pray, but they may have used to pray on and off. That's why there are signs of prayer on their faces that they're identified by, and they're taken out of hellfire because of that, and Allah knows best.